We are going to discuss about the Nostro, Vostro and Loro account. Now, the example has been taken in which the Indian country or the Indian bank has been taken as our account, or the home bank in the other country's bank has been taken as the Switzerland bank, that is the foreign country's bank. Now, these three accounts are being maintained by the bank for the purpose of transactions. So, the first one, that is the pink one, is the Nostro account. Now the Nostro account means our account with you. Now here R, that is the India and the Indian country's bank, the Indian currency, whereas U is the Switzerland bank, that is the Swiss bank, in the currency is Swiss franc. So the Indian bank, that is the SBI banks, maintain a foreign currency current account with the Switzerland bank, that is the Swiss bank. So this account is being maintained in the foreign currency, that is the currency of Switzerland, that is Swiss franc. Now the second one is Vostro. Vostro, that is the red color one. Here your account with us. Now here your, that is the Swiss bank account, is maintained with us, that is the SBI bank. So the Switzerland bank account, the Switzerland bank, that is the Swiss bank, maintained with the SBI Bank of India in the home currency of India, that is the account maintained in terms of rupee, that is the Indian currency. The third is the Loro, that is our account of their money with you. So what happens actually is, when SBI bank has maintained a foreign currency account with the foreign country's bank, that is the Swiss bank, then it is known as the Nostro account. But if someone other Indian bank, that is for example HDFC Bank, uses this account, that is the SBI bank account, for this purpose of transaction, then it is known as Loro account. The HDFC Bank will refer the account of the SBI Bank for its transaction purpose.